Hello, beautiful people.
Hey.
In today's video, I just wanted to tell you guys to enjoy your life. Live life to the fullest. Life is not so serious. And I want to show this beer. Lucky Buddha. It's the fat Buddha or the laughing Buddha or whatever you want to call him. It's enlightened beer, and it's formed like the laughing Buddha or the fat Buddha, whatever you want to call it. And there's rice, malt, and hops, and water, of course. And it's really nice. I had to order it to the Swedish alcohol shop. But in this video, I just wanted to tell you guys to really enjoy your life. We were listening to that song. It's called "Waiting to Die." What's the band who makes it? That's not important. I can maybe link it or something. You remember? No. That's what I thought. They sing, "Are you really alive or are you just waiting to die?" And if you're really alive, go outside, leave your house. If you're watching this on your computer, go outside in nature, go take a walk in the woods, take some deep breaths, smoke a joint, drink a beer, whatever you want to do to relax. Just sit back and relax sometimes. Make sure you just lean back and trust the universe and be one with life. Because even in quantum physics now, it's called the unified field. It's the word I found for it now. That proves consciousness, that we are not matter that evolved into consciousness. We are consciousness that evolved into matter. Like we made matter from consciousness, not the other way around. That disproves basically all the living material things that we're living right now in this hierarchy and all these systems that we have in society, social systems. Everything is based on materialism. And
we're moving out of that.
And we're moving into the unified field of consciousness, which...
The age of Aquarius.
Age of Aquarius, the golden age.
It's already here. But
if you want, you can tap into that consciousness. You gotta unlearn everything you already basically learned to become one with life. Love is everything, and love is energy. We're just energy, vibrations, frequencies, whatever. That's what we are made of, energy. Just pure energy.
Pure energy.
Become aware of your awareness and know what we truly are. And then life is amazing. Life is already amazing. It's your choice how to feel. So make the right choice. Be the chosen one if you want to. And life is not so serious that you can't drink a beer just because you're spiritual. You can't have money just because you're spiritual. All of these limited belief systems that we've had with spirituality through the times of life, of the ages of humanity. And spirituality is only about everything. It's about that life is everything and nothing at the same time. We are pure consciousness. And if life is truly just energy and everything is the same, then enjoy it. Don't limit yourself and be like the Buddha who said, the first Buddha said that life is suffering. Yeah, life can be suffering. Life can be enjoyment. Life can be whatever you choose it to be. And as a New Age Buddha, I tell you, do whatever makes you feel good. As long as you do it with, what can I say? You do what feels right, not what feels good. Do what truly feels right in your soul. And live your dreams, because life is just one nice dream. Look at the nature. This beautiful woman. And
smoke a bit more joint.
I can smoke a bit more joints. We're moving into the fifth dimension of consciousness, and that's the unified field of consciousness in quantum physics. Where everybody realizes that we're not this material body that evolved. We're not apes that evolved into a consciousness and having this consciousness that we have. We are consciousness that made this material world. This reality is a dream that our consciousness created. And the more everybody remembers this, the faster we can move the collective to have the social systems and the governments and everything that controls the world in somehow work for us and not against Mother Nature, with Mother Nature, protecting Mother Nature. And the faster we realize it ourselves, like the change has to come from you, me, everybody first, before you go preaching it. If you can sit every day and you feel like you need nothing, you truly have the feeling where you feel like you don't need anything, you're thankful, you're grateful for everything in life, no matter what the situation, no matter what happens. If something shitty happens, you know how to deal with it because you're not attached to everything in life. It's okay to feel sad in these things, but truly to understand that it's just a lesson to grow, how to learn, how to deal with things in life. Because life is just one big game, dream, whatever you want to call it. And it's all about learning, it's all about knowledge and love. And with all this quantum physics proving that consciousness was before us, this also puts us back into the old age where enlightenment was a big thing. Well, it's coming back now. We're in the age of enlightenment, age of Aquarius. But in the old age, with all the Hindus, all the Buddhas and all these things, they already were saying all of these things. These Greek philosophers, whatever, that we are pure consciousness that created this material world. So if people knew this thousands of years ago, and now science is starting to prove it also, there we go. Everything is just starting to connect back into the circle of life. Everything is getting an answer. Science that was supposed to be against consciousness, and like science is logical things that proves things in the material form, now is proving consciousness also. So everything is going back in a circle. You heard the lighter. And I just want to remind you guys that peace is here, love is here, and we can all tap into that frequency. Love is everything and nothing at the same time, and we are it. I and I, you and me, we dream this world up together, and it's time to remember to make the dream grow and move forward and expand your mind. And I love psychedelics. That's the best way to expand your mind, when you truly reach a state when you take a certain dose where your ego just goes ploof, because your ego is a image of yourself that you built up in your mind, that this is the way I am, this is how I act, this is what I don't like, and this is what I do, and this I hate is not really benefiting anyone. You hurt yourself when you hate something, because in the big picture you are everything. So if you hate something, you hate a part of yourself that you haven't accepted. And accepting everything and leaning back and trusting the universe, you will love everything. Even if you love something less and you know what's individualized for you that you like a little bit more, like food or certain types of foods and stuff, that's a different story. But once you lose the sense of the ego, where you only care about yourself and you care about the world because you are one with the world, and volunteering is helping for no reason, when you truly want to do these things all the time and you're grateful for your life, then life will be in your favor all the time. You will be creating your own karma, and your karma will always be positive. All these ancient things that people forgot is getting proven in science. So I just want to remind you all to love your inner selves, your higher self, your inner world, your own universe that you created. The God frequency that we can all tap into. And I love you all. We are one. Stay blessed. And I'll see you in the next video.